Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a credit card with Bank of America, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and visit the Bank of America website. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to proceed. Enter your online ID in the designated field. Input your password in the next field. Click the sign in button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab in the main menu. Select Credit Card from the drop-down menu. Look for the Manage Your Cards section. Click on Make a Payment or Set up card alerts as needed. To configure your credit card, access the Services tab associated with your credit card account. Here, you can find options for adding authorized users. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for any additional cardholders. To customize your alerts, return to the Manage Your Cards section. Select Card Alerts and choose the types of alerts you wish to receive. Read through the alert options and make your selections. To enable account notifications, click on Notifications in the same menu. Turn on notifications for transactions, payments, and fraud alerts. Review your choices and click Save Changes to apply them. If you need to set up automatic payments, go back to the Make a Payments section. Choose Set up Recurring Payments and follow the prompts. Enter your payment amount and select your payment schedule. Confirm your payment settings and save the changes. For additional configurations, consider accessing the Profile and Preferences section. Here, you can update your contact information and communication preferences. Review all your settings once more to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, log out of your Bank of America account for security. Your credit card is now configured to your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.